Hello and hi. If you wanted to discover something which has remained undiscovered in your life about various things and places, then you are at a very correct place. This channel will bring up such information and such content before you, which will help you to discover many things related day to day in your life about health and wellness, about various things which is very unique in this channel would be relating your body, relating the diseases in your body with the Vastu concept of your house, Vastu concept of your office, of your bungalow or of your plot. Good morning friends, this is Dr. Vaibhavgadgil, a medical professional, Ayurveda graduate working in this field for last 15 years plus. I'm working in government setup as well as having my own clinical practice, which is over the period what I have discovered is many people उनको बहुत सफरिंग्स रहता है in terms of health. I have found that many families they come up with illnesses quite often. उनके घर में कुछ ना कुछ illnesses चालू रहता है और जब इसमें हमने थोड़ा सा थोड़ा और डीप स्टडी करने का कोशिश किया, थोड़ा वास्तु रिलेटेड स्टडी करने का कोशिश किया, तो ऐसा ध्यान में आ गया कि there are certain वास्तु principles if they brought into the practice of that particular family, उनका illnesses कम होने में या to get rid of those illnesses, it's become easy for them. Friends, you will be surprised to know that if certain elements in your house, if they are wrongly placed or certain things, if they are wrongly kept, then your family or you are bound to get the diseases or some sort of sufferings in your life. So, if you really want to discover those things, like those remedies, then you are again at a correct place. I will give you all the various tips and remedies and the knowledgeable things about how the particular things can avoid particular diseases in your body. Again friends, this channel will be also dedicated to Goa as a whole. We are going to bring before you the concept of Goa beyond beaches. So there will be certain things which you must have seen but you must have not went into the depth of it. So again such things are going to surface on this particular channel. सो गाइस, ये आपका अपना चैनल है, इसको बहुत सारा प्यार कीजिए, बहुत सारी दुआएं दीजिए. यू प्लीज कीप मी इन योर प्रेयर्स एंड योर ब्लेसिंग्स एंड गिव लॉट ऑफ लव टू दिस चैनल, गिव लॉट ऑफ लव टू मी सो दैट वी ऑल विल ग्रो टुगेदर. गाइस, दैट्स ऑल फॉर नाउ. साइनिंग ऑफ. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. बाय बाय.